Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today, I am going to read a chapter from your English reader book, and the name of the chapter is The World of Sports Basketball. As you can see in this picture, players are playing basketball, and there is a basketball and it is written NBA on the basketball. Do you know what is NBA? National Basketball Association. It is a very popular tournament in the world of basketball. And here in the slide you can see basketball court where the two teams play the match. Now let's start with the chapter, The World of Sports Basketball. But before I read this chapter, let me ask you few questions. You must have played many games. Which is your favorite game? I know you will come out with so many games. Do you know all the rules of your favorite game? Now, read to find out more about the game of basketball and its rules. Basketball is one of the most popular and widely viewed sports in the world. It is a team sport in which two teams of 5 active players each try to score points against one another by throwing a ball through a 10-foot high hoop or basket under organized rules. The objective of the game is to outscore one's opponents by throwing the ball through the opponent's basket from above while preventing the opponents from doing so on their own. An attempt to score in this way is called a shot. A successful shot is worth 2 points. It can also be worth 3 points if it is taken from beyond the 3-point arc, which is 6.25 meters or 20 feet 6 inches away from the basket in international games. The ball can be advanced on the court by dribbling it, which is the act of bouncing it continuously while moving, or by passing it between teammates. Disruptive physical contact or fouls are not permitted, and there are restrictions on how the ball can be handled. These are called violations. Games are played in 4 quarters of 10 or 12 minutes. 15 minutes are allowed for a half-time break, and 2 minutes are allowed at the other breaks. Overtime periods are 5 minutes long. The teams exchange basket in the second half. The time allowed is the actual playing time, and the clock is stopped while the play is not active. Therefore, games generally take much longer to complete than the allotted game time, typically about 2 hours. The game is controlled by the officials consisting of the referee, 1 or 2 umpires, and the 3 table officials. The ball must stay within the court. The last team to touch the ball before it travels out of bounds forfeit possession. The ball must not be kicked nor struck with the fist. A violation of these rules results in loss of possession or, if committed by the defense, a reset of the clock. Most players shoot directly into the basket, but shooters may use the backboard to redirect the ball into the basket. The most crowd-pleasing and typically highest percentage accuracy shot is the one in which the player jumps very high and throws the ball downward, straight through the hoop. The crucial aspect of any good pass is being impossible to intercept. Good passers can pass the ball with great accuracy and touch and know exactly where each of their teammates likes to receive the ball. A special way of doing this is passing the ball without looking at the receiving teammate. This is called a no-look pass. While competitive basketball is primarily an indoor sport, it has become exceedingly popular as an outdoor sport too. So students, I hope you have understood the chapter and you must have enjoyed this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.